So hello and welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malay Trivedi, pediatric dentist, director and professor in College of Dental Sciences. So hello to all my future dental professional. Hope you all are gearing up for the NEET MDS counseling. And very much congratulations on taking this crucial step towards your career in dentistry. Many times it happens you are hearing from your senior and many people, bas DDS कर लिया तो बहुत है, but no. If you are going higher, you are getting more knowledge that will be beneficial to you in some or the other way. So in this video, we are going to walk through you regarding NEET MDS counseling in Gujarat state. Okay, so grab pen and paper and let's dive in, dear students. So remember, dear students, this is a second video regarding NEET MDS counseling 2024. Already we have made one video. The link is there in the description box regarding the basic steps of All India quota counseling and also the basic steps regarding the state dental counseling. Now we are going little details state wise. We are going for the now first we are considering the Gujarat state. Remember, for Gujarat state dental counseling you have to follow this website given on the screen, that is a ADM Gujarat.org. Please don't follow any other blogs or like that. Focus on the authenticate website from government. And one more thing, dear students, nowadays many call is going to come to you. You take the admission, pay the fees like that. But remember, all admissions are considered valid only if you are taking from the NEET MDS score. Okay, otherwise if you are giving the money, later on the seat can get cancelled and you're not going to get the money. Okay, dear students. So in this video, I'm going to talk. Many students are asking me, sir, my rank is this. What is going to happen? Whether I'm going to get the seat or not, or which seat I'm going to get. Remember, dear students, every year the seat metrics keep on changing. Sometimes, let's say a college ADC has around 39 seats last year. This time they may have 35 seats also, 40 seats also, or even the branches wise or the quota wise it keep on changing. Okay, but tentatively I'm going to describe the details of the previous year counseling, so you can get a little idea. Okay, my rank is falling this much with what I'm going to get. And one more thing important is that about the state rank. Let's say last year the All India 52 rank, whatever the student got, she was first in the Gujarat. So that also keep on changing. Let's say this time many students from Gujarat are in the top 500 or top 1000. So likewise that also the rank keep on changing. But the previous year data little bit help you to know how many seats are there in this and that college, and you will get the idea that which seat I have to select or not. Okay, dear students, you can see ADC around 39 seats were there. Then AMC college around 15 seats are there in the last year. Then Cons Bhavnagar around 18 seats were there. Then College of Dental Science, that Bhopal college, around 24 seats were there. Faculty of Dental Science in Nadia, around 18 seats were there. Then Goenka around 20 seats. And then GDC Ahmedabad around 39 seats were there, dear students. Then from the GDC Jamnagar around 19 seats were there. Karnavati College 18 seats were there. And dear students, from Darsibai Visnagar College around 33 seats were there. So you can say in total around 258 seats the students are going to get from the Gujarat state. And it is distributed along different category from your SC/ST, state quota category, AIQ and everything. Okay, dear students, you can see 5 types of category are there. Now, dear students, you can go through the provisional merit list from last year. So you can see the first rank students have the 52 AIQ rank. Likewise, it keep on going. If you ask me, sir, for open category till how many means rank around, it goes around 1400 to 1500 rank, and for SC/ST it goes to double around 4 to 5000 rank. So you can pause the list and you can check that which rank corresponding to the state and also the AIQ have got which seat and which branch students have selected. Now some students have doubt that, sir, which college, which branch is good. Then you can put a point on the comment box, or you can WhatsApp me, or you can mail me. Definitely me and my team will help you. So this was there, dear students, about the provisional merit list. I hope everybody have got idea that how many seats are there in Gujarat last year. last year what all students took which type of seat and from which college they have took. Okay dear students, so that was all from my side regarding Gujarat Dental Counseling. Any other help you want, you can contact me anytime. Till then, aspirant, take care, and we are going to announce with the different state soon. That's all from my side.